So it's Bill with the Fuzzy Bunny Butt Railroad. So a lot of the maintenance just isn't maintenance on the track. It's maintenance in the yard and all the stuff to help you work on the track, keeping it running. Snow blower, tractor, wheelbarrows. So we'll do a little maintenance. All right, we're gonna fill this wheelbarrow tire. I'm gonna try snowmobile tires and a lawnmower tire also. Tired of flats. So what I'm gonna do is just drill 8 holes evenly spaced around and then fill it foam, and we'll see how it works out. Yeah, so basically just put 8 holes in this thing. You gotta add a little water to it. I guess the water helps the reaction of this stuff. And I'm going to show you a trick. If the bead pops, you can put a ratchet strap around the outside of it and ratchet it. I'll show you that. All right, here's how to get the bead back on the tire. You put a ratchet strap around it and just ratchet the tire down till you get it close. Then you can hit it with air right here and it'll pop the bead right back on it. Or in this case of the tire, pretty much sealed it already. Just got to hit it real quick and then it'll be back on. Just big gap filler from the orange store or the blue store. Now it looks like there's little marshmallows all over my tires. And these are the other 3 tires I did. This is a lawnmower tire for that mower, and then 2 snowmobile tires. I drilled 8 holes in each, and I filled this one with three things of foam, and those 1 each. And oh wait a second, 1 each, and then 1 to top off both of them. So I put 3 in here, and then 1.5 and 1.5. We'll see if that works. The other thing is, don't ever use all of these. Just use one of them and keep switching it over to the other can. Just keep these if you use a lot of this crap, because they're invaluable. If you break one, you don't have to go to the store. I keep saying snowmobile tires. They're snow blower tires. Yeah, got it on the lawnmower. And pick this crap off. I'll probably just scrape it off and whatnot, but looks like it works. Try it out. You can hear me, but I would say this is a success.